In this video, we will talk about 7 easy passive income methods. So make sure to watch the full video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Passive income can be a great way to help you generate extra cash flow, whether you're running a side hustle or just trying to get a little extra dough each month. Passive income can help you earn more during the good times and tide you over if you suddenly become unemployed, or even if you voluntarily take time away from work. With passive income, you can have money coming in even as you pursue your primary job, or if you're able to build up a solid stream of passive income, you might want to kick back a little. Either way, a passive income gives you extra security. And if you're worried about being able to save enough of your earnings to meet your retirement goals, building wealth through passive income is a strategy that might appeal to you too. What is passive income? Passive income includes regular earnings from a source other than an employer or contractor. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, says passive income can come from 2 sources: rental property or a business in which one does not actively participate, such as being paid book royalties or stock dividends. Many people think that passive income is about getting something for nothing, says financial coach and retired hedge fund manager Todd Tressiter. It has a get-rich-quick appeal. But in the end, it still involves work. You just give the work upfront. In practice, you may do some or all of the work upfront, but passive income often involves some additional labor along the way too. You may have to keep your product updated or your rental property well maintained in order to keep the passive dollars flowing. But if you're committed to the strategy, it can be a great way to generate income, and you'll create some extra financial security for yourself along the way. 7 passive income ideas for building wealth. If you're thinking about creating a passive income stream, check out these 18 strategies and learn what it takes to be successful with them, while also understanding the risks associated with each idea. 1. Create a course. One popular strategy for passive income is creating an audio or video course, then kicking back while cash rolls in from the sale of your product. Courses can be distributed and sold through sites such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. Alternatively, you might consider a freemium model, building up a following with free content and then charging for more detailed information, or for those who want to know more. For example, language teachers and stock-picking advice may use this model. The free content acts as a demonstration of your expertise and may attract those looking to go to the next level. 2. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook can be a good opportunity to take advantage of the low cost of publishing and even leverage the worldwide distribution of Amazon to get your book seen by potentially millions of would-be buyers. Ebooks can be relatively short, perhaps 30-50 pages, and can be relatively cheap to create, since they rely on your own expertise. You'll need to be an expert on a specific topic, but the topic could be niche and use some special skills or abilities that very few offer but that many readers need. You can quickly design the book on an online platform and then even test market different titles and price points. But just like with designing a course, a lot of the value comes when you add more ebooks to the mix, drawing in more customers to your content. 3. Rental income. Investing in rental properties is an effective way to earn passive income, but it often requires more work than people expect. If you don't take the time to learn how to make it a profitable venture, you could lose your investment and then some, says John H. Graves, an accredited investment fiduciary, AIF, in the Los Angeles area and author of The 7% Solution. You can afford a comfortable retirement. 4. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, website owners, social media, influencers, or bloggers promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on their site or social media account. Amazon might be the best-known affiliate partner, but eBay, Awen, and Share a Sale are among the larger names too. And Instagram and TikTok have become huge platforms for those looking to grow a following and promote products. You could also consider growing an email list to draw attention to your blog or otherwise direct people to products and services that they might want. Opportunity. When a visitor clicks on the link and makes a purchase from the third-party affiliate, the site owner earns a commission. The commission might range from 3 to 7%, so it will likely take significant traffic to your site to generate serious income. But if you can grow your following or have a more lucrative niche, such as software, financial services, or fitness, you may be able to make some serious coin. Affiliate marketing is considered passive because, in theory, you can earn money just by adding a link to your site or social media account. In reality, you won't earn anything if you can't attract readers to your site to click on the link and buy something. 5. Flip retail products. Take advantage of online sales platforms such as eBay or Amazon and sell products that you find at cut-rate prices elsewhere. You'll arbitrage the difference in your purchase and sale prices and may be able to build a following of individuals who track your deals. Opportunity. You'll be able to take advantage of price differences between what you can find and what the average consumer may be able to find. This could work especially well if you have a contact who can help you access discounted merchandise that few other people can find, or you may be able to find valuable merchandise that others have simply overlooked. Risk. While sales can happen at any time online, helping make this strategy passive, you'll definitely have to hustle to find a reliable source of products. Plus, you'll have to invest money in all of your products until they do sell, so you need a robust source of cash. You'll have to really know the market so that you're not buying at a price that's too high. Otherwise, you may end up with products that no one wants or whose price you have to drastically cut in order to sell. 6. Sell photography online. Selling photography online might not be the most obvious place to set up a passive business, but it could allow you to scale your efforts, especially if you can sell the same photos over and over again. To do that, you might work with an organization such as Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy. To get started, you'll have to be approved by the platform, and then you license your photos to be used by whomever downloads them. The platform then pays you every time someone uses your photo. You'll need photos that appeal to a specific audience or that represent a certain scene, and you'll need to tease out where the demand is. Photos could be shots with models, landscapes, creative scenarios, and more, or they could capture real events that might make the news. Opportunity. Part of the value of selling or licensing your photos through a platform is that you have the potential to scale your efforts, especially if you can provide pictures that will be in demand. So you could potentially sell the same image hundreds or thousands of times or more. 7. Peer-to-peer lending. A peer-to-peer, P2P, loan is a personal loan made between you and a borrower, facilitated through a third-party intermediary such as Prosper or Lending Club. Other players include Funding Circle, which targets businesses and has higher borrowing limits, and Payoff, which targets better credit risks. Risk. It takes time to master the metrics of P2P lending, so it's not entirely passive, and you'll want to carefully vet your prospective borrowers. Since you're investing in multiple loans, you must pay close attention to payments received. Whatever you make in interest should be reinvested if you want to build income. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to hit the like button and click the bell icon for more updates. If you are new to my channel, hit subscribe button.